I did some reading and I found out that there are things that I can make with lilac blossoms. I didn't know that before, and so I'm going to work on that. I have 3 bushes in my yard. This one's kind of old, but I have a much more vibrant one that I'm going to be taking blossoms from in my front yard. But this one has the view of the lake in the background, so I use this one for the video. The 2 things I'm going to be making with the lilac are tea and jam. Now when we make them, we are not to use anything but the blossoms, none of the greens or the stems. So I'll be removing the blossoms to first make tea, and then from the tea we make the jam. So there'll be 2 different posts that I'll be making with those. This bush is way taller than I am. I can't really reach those blossoms up there, which is just as well because the bees aren't really interested in sharing with me right now. So I'm going to leave those top blossoms for the bees because they need to have some too. And I've already harvested a gallon bag of lilac blossoms, and all I did is I snipped off the end piece, and then I'm going to, when I'm inside at my dining room table and I can control the settings so that the wind won't take any of the blossoms away, I'm going to then remove the stems, and I think that will be a whole lot easier that way. So I finished making the lilac jelly, and this is the product. This is the next morning, so it could set. It hasn't fallen yet. When you use the pectin at first like this, it takes a little while before the jelly will be pulled down by gravity, so it's still stuck up in the top part of the jar. So I have a piece of Greek bread, and I'm going to taste my lilac jelly. Take a little piece here and put in my Greek bread. So I'm kind of looking forward to this moment. I tasted a little bit from the pan when it was hot, and it was very good. So I couldn't wait to see what it tasted like after it cooled and was in and solid. It's very delicious. It has like a honey and lemon. It has a bit of that lilac flavor that I tasted when I made the tea yesterday also. It is really good. It's light. It doesn't have any berry flavor at all. So you would use it where you might use honey or apple jelly on breads, or maybe on top of some plain pastry or something like that. It could go well on a croissant as well. I would definitely make lilac jam again next year because it is just very flavorful.